Nature has been perfecting its systems for billions of years, drawing inspiration from nature's deep intelligence. Amdocs Live Services introduces a holistic IP-driven ecosystem, empowering CSPs to adapt and thrive in an ever-changing digital-first world. Blending cutting-edge technologies such as agentic AI, hyper-automation, and continuous delivery methodologies at every layer, Live Services represents a transformative approach to telco modernization journeys. Integrating technology-driven services, process adaptability, and operational resilience, spanning implementation, operations, and managed services across an end-to-end service delivery lifecycle, fusing AI ops, IT, and cloud ops, while building operational frameworks as responsive and scalable as anything found in nature. All with over 4 decades of Amdocs telco expertise encoded into its DNA. Live Services is designed to evolve like life itself, setting you free to adapt to the future. Amdocs Live Services. AI-powered, nature-inspired. Amdocs. Make it amazing.